Pelsee P1 Duo 4K Dash Cam front and rear. 24/7 surveillance, Wi-Fi, voice control, night vision, 64GB card. Experience the next level of driving safety with the Pelsee P1 Duo 4K Dash Cam, the ultimate 2-in-1 front and rear camera for your vehicle. Featuring ultra-clear 4K video at 30 FPS and stunning 1080p rear footage, this dash cam delivers impeccable clarity. Whether you're driving a minivan, car, truck, or RV, this dual-channel system ensures that you capture every moment on the road with 170-degree wide-angle precision. Say goodbye to fuzzy footage. You deserve sharp, detailed recordings. What sets the Pelsee P1 Duo Dash Cam apart is its cutting-edge built-in Wi-Fi and app control. This feature allows you to instantly preview, download, and share your recordings in real time, making it easy to showcase your travels or ensure that you have all the details of an incident. With the Pelsee Cam app, you can easily manage footage, edit clips, and keep everything at your fingertips. Plus, you get voice-activated controls to keep your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Driving at night or in low-light conditions? No problem. The Pelsee Dash Cam boasts excellent night vision with a 1.5/f aperture and 6 layers of optical precision that capture essential details even in the darkest environments. Whether it's a poorly lit street or a blinding glare from headlights, this camera ensures that your footage is clear and undistorted, giving you reliable evidence when you need it most. Night vision clarity means better protection for you, your passengers, and your vehicle. Another standout feature is 24-hour parking mode, which provides constant surveillance even when your car is parked. The dash cam automatically switches to parking mode when your vehicle is stationary, recording any motion or impacts. The G sensor automatically locks relevant footage if an impact is detected, keeping the crucial footage safe for easy access. Whether it's a bump in a parking lot or a hit and run, you'll have evidence on hand to resolve any incidents. Not only does the Pelsee P1 Duo Dash Cam save you time with its easy installation and user-friendly operation, but it also helps you save money by providing a comprehensive solution for car security. It comes with a 64GB SD card, and supports up to 256GB, so you won't have to worry about storage. Plus, with loop recording, it automatically overwrites older footage, ensuring uninterrupted recording. Reliable, durable, and affordable, this dash cam is a must-have for anyone serious about their vehicle's safety.